So here's Aubrey. You gonna crawl for mommy again? Aubrey. Oh, and then look who's. Oh, he wants his banana. You want me over here? Is this where you want me? Loves the nursery rhymes. Oh, look at her go. Look at her go. She's getting ready. Ooh, that's one of her favorites. One of her favorites. What are you doing, Wes? Wesley, what's that? Can you do it? You want the basketball? It's really hard to know what, yeah, twinkle, twinkle. Oh, he wants out.